Understanding Difficulty Relaxing, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have come across in English conversations or readings: difficulty relaxing. It's a common expression that touches on both physical and mental states, and understanding it can help you navigate English-speaking environments more smoothly. So, let's get started and explore what it really means to have difficulty relaxing. Difficulty relaxing combines two key words: difficulty and relaxing. Difficulty refers to experiencing trouble or challenges with something. Relaxing means to rest, unwind, or become less tense or anxious. When put together, the phrase describes a situation where someone finds it hard to calm down, ease their mind, or physically relax. It's important to note that this can refer to both short-term situations, like finding it hard to unwind after a stressful day, or more long-term issues, such as chronic stress or anxiety that makes relaxation seem almost impossible. Understanding difficulty relaxing can be easier with examples. Imagine someone who's constantly worried about work, even when they're at home. Despite trying activities like reading or taking a bath, they can't stop feeling tense. Or, consider a person who lies in bed for hours, unable to sleep because their mind is racing with thoughts. These scenarios illustrate difficulty relaxing in real life, showing how it affects both mental and physical well-being. Knowing about difficulty relaxing is crucial for several reasons. First, it can help you communicate your feelings more accurately in English, especially if you're experiencing stress or anxiety. Secondly, understanding this concept allows you to empathize with others who might be going through tough times, making you a more supportive friend or colleague. Lastly, recognizing signs of difficulty relaxing can encourage you or others to seek help or adopt healthier habits to manage stress. We hope this video has helped clarify what difficulty relaxing means and why it's an important concept to understand, especially for English learners. Remember, it's okay to seek support if you're struggling with this issue, and there are many strategies and resources available to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English language learning content. See you in the next video.